the monkey, you think you run in the zoo, but I'm the king, Mr. Boy. You just stuck in the stew. Swinging from branches, but I'm launching these bars like a primate in spaceman. I'm reaching for the stars. You know, contact line is munching on the man. It's on the lyrical beat. You're choking on your man. You flip you like a tree, but I'm deep in the beat. A heavyweight shield, you got featherweight beef. You call yourself blizzard, but you ain't got the chill. I was cold with my rhymes, you just slipping like a peel. Flips fall flat like your IQ on the scale. I'm a heavyweight champ, you're just a monkey in jail. Like we flip the script while you're flipping me on the style. I'm the goat in the booth, you're just a move for a while. You're sweeping vine to vine, but I'm climbing these stars while you're wrestling your ego. I'm breaking all the hearts. This is just a monkey, thinks he's winning the heat. But I'm the right for ruin, and we can't take a seat. That's me spitting fire, and you're stuck living in your cage. You put that in your heart, so you're just living in the rage. Back up your bananas, boy, you're losing this fight. I'm the lyrical sniper, and I'm taking the night. Jamie, I'm the king of this crowd.